Hello, Garima. I congratulate you on your success, and you have scored 626 marks. It's a very good marks, and I I want you to be a great good doctor in the upcoming future, as I am your relative also. So we both will treat the patients of our country and will make our country more healthier and more better place to live. So first of all, I like to congratulate you on your success.
Hello Dee. First of all, thank you for all this. And
Okay, so there's some questions which I would like to ask, like when and how did you decide to pursue MBBS? Was it your childhood dream to be a doctor?
you asked how did I pursue MBBS. So yeah, it was I used to listen in childhood from my father that he used to say like my daughter will become doctor, my daughter will become doctor. So from there I used to think yeah, this is a good profession and also I got some interest in biology more than math. Like I love to study about human body and all. So from there I decided to do this and yeah.
It was your childhood dream to be a doctor. Okay, and you have fulfilled your father's dream also. It's a great achievement for your. Yeah, after that I would like to ask what was your preparation strategy for NEET? Have you cracked it in your first attempt or second attempt, or after your 12th? What was your preparation strategy for all the three subjects like physics, chemistry and biology? Can you? Okay, okay. I was also selected in my second attempt. Okay, no problem at all. You have just achieved the thing which you wanted, and the journey will continue. Yeah. 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 Like
It's my preparation strategy. So yes, I used to I should say we should just. It's like this exam is now fully rely on NCRT books. So I used to study for biology, especially I used to study NCRT books. Yeah, 3 to 4 times. Not 3 to 4 times, like 6 to 7 times. Basically studied NCRT of bio, and for physics, I used to somewhere I used to read the theory of some specific chapters from NCRT, and then from coaching they used to provide us DPP and notes, and then as well as I used to solve some modules also for questions. So
about that, my strategy was same. Like you have to read your NCERT many times as you can read that book. Like I used to read in the morning 2 lessons from class 12, and in the evening I like to read 2 chapters from class 11th biology NCERT. That's your Bible. uh, Formula sheets which you use for physics or
in physics, basically you need question practice more, and just read the NCRT line by line and it will help you to very much extent. Fine.
because while solving numericals they helped you a lot. And for chemistry,
In chemistry also I used to, just for physical I used to can say I used to revise formula on a daily basis. For organic and inorganic I just used to read the NCRT. For inorganic, you just have to mug up all the content. So yeah. And in organic, yeah, for organic also I used to read the NCRT. So
and for physical chemistry and organic chemistry I used to read organic chemistry from NCERT only, because they just years the paper which you have given The chemistry was a little bit, people say that it was a complex thing. And I would like to ask you, from which coaching institute you just studied?
That was physics wala. Yeah, I preferred online classes over offline because I am in drop year and
Okay, I was also selected in my second attempt. Okay, no problem at all. You have just achieved the thing which you wanted, and the journey will continue.
I know I have good basics.
Yeah, yeah. Because your base was so good.
Just preferred online classes to save my time as well as to increase my self study, which I was feeling I'm lacking at. So I increased my self study time.
It's their achievement all over India, and they are a unicorn company right now. Physics wala. Yeah, they have they have what I can say, that they have given us shape to many children's career. So thanks to them also. And which coaching institute's module you used to solve or to read from?
Akash book. I like sometimes I used to read where I will get some doubt in some topics, so I used to read the Akash modules, and I used to just to solve the questions of physics, biology, or chemistry, anything. So they are really helpful in questions, and our coaching physics will also provide DBP, so I used to solve that. So in this way, it made a good preparation, and as well as I did PYQs, which is very, very, very important. So because it gave you the idea, and somewhere question pattern is also same, so it will really help me. And I used to get test every week. So yeah, I used to give test every week, and it was fine.
Those are, yeah, very important. And I would like to ask, uh, the books which you like to refer to the students who would go for a NEET 2024 or for the upcoming NEET exam, the books which you want to suggest.
To suggest to like students who are preparing, just go, yeah, I should say just rely on NCRT for most of the things. Or for biology, 200% rely on NCRT. Means like each and every line study like they are golden words. Okay, every line is important in NCRT, so just read 4 to 5 times at least NCRT, and let matlab, get know about each and every word which is mentioned. For organic, I suggest NCRT. Inorganic, yeah, inorganic you need a teacher because it's like you can't just mug up. You have to understand some concepts, and yeah, for physical you need to practice questions, you need to remember the formulas, and you should know how to solve it, and fine. And for physics, so you need question practice.
There are formula sheets which you use for physics.
Just need one formula chart. I just made one formula chart of each chapter, which I just revised in last week. So just
What I was telling you, like MTG's fingertips are also very good for the question banks. Like you can go for physics and chemistry because it's whole based on your NCERT books. MTG fingertips.
I remembered the formulas and I did question practice.
And now, how you made the balance between NEET preparation and your personal life, your studies, how you manage your time during your preparation?
Social life and this NEET life. So yeah, I just I don't have that much social life. Yeah, I just used to give some time for myself, for my health. So I used to go for running 2 hours daily, and yeah, that's it. And in remaining time, I used to do my classes and self study, and sometimes I used to use phone like 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. And sometimes I used to sit with my parents and talk to them. That's it. This was the life I was living. And in remaining time, I just dedicate myself to studies, and I used to study. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And what was your experience of NEET exam, like the whole journey? Like, can you tell me the story from initial, from your 11th to becoming, you are going to become doctor in few years. So tell me what was the journey from which you have gone through. And I would like to ask, do you agree to take coaching institute when you are in your 11th class itself, or after that? Like, that's your support system. Like when you go to a coaching institute in class 11th itself, then it helps you a lot. Like, I want to ask you, like, children should go to join any coaching institute from class 11th itself, or after that, like, or you can they can do from their school preparation only, like they can crack or not.
So yeah, I pursued online classes of physics wala, but at the same time I preferred myself. Like I used to do self study more instead of just relying on the online classes.
The MCQs, and so you were telling your story, so just go on. Yeah. And that year I have given my NEET, but it was good. 554 is also a good marks.
I did question practice more, and yeah, PYQs are very important. PYQs give you the idea about like how his exam is going to be, and like which kind of questions are coming and what is the pattern. So PYQs are very 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 important. Go for it. And I should say um, like practice is more important than study. Fine, so you have to solve at least 15 to 20 papers, which I made my target. So you can get like the environment of NEET exam, like you have to study, like you have to sit 3 hours and you have to give that exam in your home. So it will give you the environment of your exam, and you will not get panic and you can solve questions very easily. So go for it and it will basically help you. Fine. So
Yeah, it's a big achievement for all of us. You have to be a great good doctor for the sake of our country, for the sake of the society. So I would like to congratulate you and be a great good doctor in the upcoming future, and have fun in for 1 month. You can enjoy your life. After that your college will start, so go on and spend some time with your family, quality time. After that you will go you can also use some sources which you would like to use in this time, but just enjoy. Right now you can enjoy. Okay, all the very best for the upcoming journey. Be a great good doctor. Bye bye.
thank you.